Chapter 9. Matter, Solid, Liquid and Gases. Every day you see many things in your home and in your surroundings such as buildings, furnitures, stationery, electrical gadgets, vehicles, trains, water, ice, smoke etc. All these things are made up of different materials like plastics, steel, iron, paper etc. Have you ever thought what all these things actually are? You must have noticed that all these things occupy some space according to their shapes and sizes. These things are called matter. Matter, everything that occupies space and has some weight is called matter. A matter is made up of very tiny invisible particles called molecules. The smallest substance of the matter is a molecule. For example, sugar is made up of molecules of sugar. All matter exists in three states: solids, liquids and gases. Solids. Molecules in solids are very tightly packed. They do not move. So, solids have fixed shape. The solids have fixed volume. Volume means space occupied by a matter. We cannot change the shape of most of the solids. However, we can change shape of some solids by using force. Wood, plastic, iron are some examples of solids. Liquids. Molecules in liquid are loosely packed as compared to solids. They can move around. So, liquids have no fixed shape. All liquids take the shape of the container in which they are kept. However, all liquids have a fixed volume. Volume means space occupied by a liquid. All liquids can flow. Water, milk, juice, oil etc. are some liquids. Water is a liquid. It takes the shape of the container in which we keep it. Gases. Molecules in gases are very loosely packed from each other. Air is a mixture of many gases. We can fill air in a balloon or in a football. It takes the shape according to them. It means, gases have no fixed shape. They take the shape of the container in which they are filled. They fill all the available space of the container. Gases change their volume according to the space available to them. Fill some air in a balloon and hang it outside in the sun. After some time you will see the balloon is fully inflated. This is because air inside the balloon expands due to sun's heat. It means, gases have no fixed volume. Gases can flow very easily in all directions than liquids. For example, the fragrance of agarbatti spreads quickly from one corner of the room to the other. Difference between solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid, gas. Fixed shape. Yes, no, no. Fixed volume. Yes, yes, no. Can flow. No, yes, yes. Molecules. Tightly packed, loosely packed, very loosely packed. Matter change its states. Solid, liquid and gas are three states of a matter. Some matter interchange themselves. Water has three states: 1. Solid in the form of ice. 2. Liquid water. 3. Gases in the form of water vapor. Water at normal temperature exists in liquid state. On freezing, water changes into ice, which is its solid state. On boiling, water changes into water vapors, which is its gaseous state. The change of water into water vapors is called evaporation. When we take out solid ice from the freezer and put it outside, ice changes into water, liquid. When water vapors, gas, cools down, it changes into water, liquid. This is called condensation. The solid wax melts upon heating. When we light a candle, we see wax melts. Some solids dissolve in water. Take a half glass of water and add 1 spoon of sugar in it. Stir it well with spoon. Now you cannot see sugar in it. But if you taste the water, it is sweet. The sugar has dissolved in water. This liquid is now a sugar solution. In this sugar solution, sugar is solute and water is solvent. As sugar dissolves in water easily, so sugar is soluble in water. Salt solution is formed in the same way. In salt solution, salt is solute and water is solvent. Salt is soluble in water. Solute is the solid substance that dissolves in a liquid substance. Solvent is the liquid in which something solid dissolves. For example, in a lemonade, shikanji, sugar and salt are solute and water is solvent as sugar and salt dissolve in water. What happens when sugar or salt dissolves in water? When sugar or salt is put into the water, their molecules spread into the water. The molecules of salt or sugar take the empty spaces in the molecules of the water. This is why sugar or salt dissolve in water and it seems that they have disappeared in the water. The sugar solution or salt solution looks like water but they taste different from water. Whenever we add sugar or salt into the water, the volume of the solution remains same as of water, solvent. It is because sugar or salt molecules take the empty spaces in the molecules of the water and does not take any extra space. Quick recap. Solid that dissolves in a liquid is called solute. A liquid in which a solid dissolves is called solvent. On freezing, water changes into ice, solid form, and on heating, water changes into water vapors, gaseous form. Matter occupies space and has some weight. 3 states of matter are solid, liquid and gas. All matters are made of molecules. Some matters interchange their states.